I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry, John. We ready? What's going on, guys? It's Rex from Our Own Concepts. We are out here in Pamona, California at the Derby Room, getting ready for Showcase. We got all the cars lined up, all the booths pretty much set up, food's getting cooked, and we're ready to go eat. So I hope you guys enjoy the variety of cars that I brought out today, and we'll see you guys at the next one. This should look like Paul right there, bro, from behind. Watch, when he turns around, that's gonna be Paul right there. Didn't that look like Paul? What? Where's Paul at? Guys, I found the real Paul. You guys have to be the judge on the earlier shots. Tell me if you can spot the difference.
Put him right here.
I know, I was looking for him. I wanted to get a shot, yeah.
Winners. Okay, with a Mark 4, second.